Gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza na tirimanite na Marandû nkabo jarazethirite za kirundanira kuma kagita kautongeria bwa munya utonya bwa kireito na kinyana nde jatariwa thirikari ya Gavana Kawira ne tirimanite na Marandû ja gukinya bilioni 1.4 na kinya milioni inge 500 jarane baine ira thirikari ya kaunti aringirwe nyuma ya kuthitangwa ne mwene mukawa jumwe aja Meru na rietwa Leopard Rock Hotel. Mugan Mweti na Chionkuruki.
Gavana mweru wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ori anyute mumana kuzukia utongeria bwa thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ethirite Meru irumiri ni Marandû jama ingi jamo jara nyamagamba jetete na mbere. Gavana Kawira Mwangaza nandi akaria irandura shiringi milioni 500 ja 25 cha muchonko umwe uria wakomborithitwo mukawa jwa Leopard Rock jura juthara jwe Meru National Park ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ende engwaku kagita karia akomborete gatithiri.
But the question to Chioria, what is the committee? The other day was always Bauga, we lost almost 150 non to one negligence kana and to veto everything go veto would take casual amount somewhere. Now is we are almost losing. To the Akoko 329 million.
So tuna biru vingi tukwenda kuria na tukurealize also kwenda manto ya revenue yaria tutukumba kuelewa tutukwenda na ta revenue paki collectawa lakini tu kamite no kuendelea na ngweyo na batu ture MCAs ngweyo tura nene kukabira mbia cia muingi itikaiywe kana itikaure
otherwise tuto support manto akore ambe todheri tutorere mkombozi ngiro milioni 130 onu to milioni 29 batu kutika ngweyo to ikure yantu
untubou bwathuria muno mithikale nturi uria warwagaira gitikio Gavana kagita kamwe na abumeneria
thirikari ya King'ang'i batere nontu botumira kifua na kiburi venga muchonko Leopard Rock na bainga miaka 5 utie bwakarika reu barenda kuria kiumia ki milioni 500 ya 20 icho tete kuriwa mistake yo thithirie makosa yo thithirie na ya cost county ya Meru milioni 500 ya 20 King'ang'i ria ambecha ciaku wena taitasi na county secretary na muntora onde nontote ngwisia Meru.
Nkuruki Gavana Kawira na tirimene ne randura shiringi bilioni 1.6 ria kandarathi. Marandû jaja kandarathi jambiria kagitene ka Gavana wa mbere Peter Munya uria kiuma ku 2017 atigira kireito murungi murigo jwe randura shiringi bilioni 1.6 amwe na igamba ria mubiashara mkombozi uria warekire kuriwa shiringi milioni 100 ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru nyuma ya igamba. Kireito murungi na wakiebera mwakene juzo 2022 atigira Gavana Kawira Mwangaza irandura shiringi bilioni 1.6 nawe Kawira Mwangaza aranywa mumana atonyo tongeriene nonto atonyete weriuga Marandû jakariwa ende akandarasi barugo na ngogicharugo bamenya bakona thina.
Let contractors not only expect to be paid for work done and not for phantom projects. I will be guided by the national values and principles of good governance to promote a culture for the rule of law. We are also taking over a regime that has accumulated debt to ballooning levels of approximately 1.2 billion. We shall immediately undertake, I want to repeat this again, we shall immediately undertake audit of all debts to establish genuine from the phantom ones.
Thina ngire rumite thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ni michara ya ritingugi kuria kigina gikingi nkurukia weti na mbere. Kwa ngerekano gichunche kia 48 kana 48% ya kigina kia Meru kiretaga kiri michara aki antu 30 kana 30% untubura kinyabu Gavana Kawira Mwangaza ekitawirane bwa kuthuja na kumurika na bwandike werune.
The handover report from the previous regime also confirmed the arrayed fears by the Auditor General of the extremely high recurrent expenditure born out of unwarranted employments in the name of rewarding cronies and sympathizers of the said regime. As a way to curb this, my government will conduct thorough audits on all employees to fish out those ghost workers, to fish out all those hired irregularly. I will plead with you, my people, to be patient with us as we get this done.
Morgan Muti, Meru TV, Meru.